Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave and I am back with another video and I'm going to show you guys how I got these super cute short nails with the French tip. So I'm going to be using the SS Pro Tip X by Saviland and this is their high-tech Gel X nail system. So you can definitely get this cute look at home, y'all, for a fraction of the cost that it's going to cost you at a nail salon. So initially on the open up, I was like, dang, this box is packed with a lot of stuff. I was really happy about that because I love some products, but I feel like for the price of the package as well as like all of the contents, this is a really good steal. It has a lot of extracts from natural plants, and I think that's really cool. So first things first, these are the nail tips. It comes with 3 pairs. And what I like about it is that there's instructions throughout the whole entire kit, you guys. Like it gives you detailed instructions. It gives you detailed instructions on how to use everything, what everything is used for, and some things are self-explanatory, but I love that it has instructions because if you're just learning nails or you're doing nails from home, you want to just have a guide that way you can get your nails on properly. And this kit includes multiple methods in how you could apply these press-on tips. So I love it. Love, love, love it. So next, you guys, is this UV LED nail lamp, and I went ahead and opened it up. It also does have instructions too, you guys. Everything has instructions, like literally 90% of the box has some type of instructions. So it basically comes with this lamp, period, and you plug it in. Y'all, I haven't used this type of input in a long time because I have an iPhone, but it is what it is. So you plug it in, y'all, and I really like it. It has really good heat. The light works and it cures really well, so I had to make sure to just test it out to make sure it was something that I could use. So it does work. And then next, it has instructions. It tells you the features. So these are the features of them. I'm not about to read all of that, but girl, you can see it. Period. Yeah. So next, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing. All right, you guys. So next is the Tip Solid Extend Gel, you guys. And basically, this also comes with full instructions on how to use it, which I love. And I'm not going to be really using this to apply the tips today. So, yeah. And this pretty much is the instructions for the bonding gel. And it also has different methods as to how you can apply the tips, you guys. So I really, really love that. I keep saying it because if you guys watch my videos, when I use products and they don't come with instructions, it really gets on my nerves because I need to know what I'm doing. I need to know how your product works. I need to know the curing time. I need to know what not to do and everything so that I don't have discomfort. It's not improperly cured and all of that. So this is the the Tip AF primer. So this is basically the primer that it comes with. It also comes with their plant extract builder nail gel. And this was the only one that didn't come with instructions, but I feel like if you use Builder Gel, then you kind of would know how to use it. They pretty much are kind of all the same. And then the Tip Extend Gel, which I just showed you guys before, and that also has instructions on the back of it. So it also has a Tip Top Gel, which is their top coat that you have to cure, and it has that extract of the aloe and castor oil. And then this is something new that I haven't seen before. This basically is their fast spraying remover. So I guess you spray that on the nails and then you can remove them with it. So I think that's pretty cool. It also came with this little mini kit or care package. It has a nail file, which is 100 and 180 grit. It also has a bunch of nail tabs, also one-time use alcohol wipes, and then it has like a little cuticle pusher. So I think that was really nice of them to just give you so many options. That way, if you don't want to go the glue route, you can use the tabs. If you don't want to go the builder gel route, you can just use like the extend tip gel. Like they have so many options, and like I said, instructions throughout the whole thing, y'all. So these are more instructions, and this one was bigger and it was more in depth. It basically touched on every single method that you could use in order to apply it. And y'all, I'm stressing this because it's important. It has the recyclable and reusable instructions and then disposable using instructions. So it tells you what method you can use to reuse them or if you want to do one-time use. So this portion, you guys, I just go first before I do anything to my nails. I just size everything. I feel like their sizing is, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. I have wider nail beds, so it's kind of hard for me to find nail tips that fit my nail plate. But I can say that I was able to find my size in the whole entire thing. I didn't have to go in and take some from the other side. I found my size, so I think that everybody should be cool because they do have a large variety. Um, First things first, you guys, what I'm gonna do is clean my nail beds. And when I do that, I go in with this mini mandrel bit. You guys, it's my favorite. I got it from Shein. You just want to make sure you put that onto the mandrel bit when it's off of your drill, because you don't want to push on your drill and put too much pressure on it. So after I apply it, that's when I go in and put it into my hand file or e-file, and then we can go ahead and start. So first things first, you guys, you want to make sure that you go around your cuticle. This pushes your cuticle back as well as cleans it at the same time. Of course, you can always be more in depth and do, extra work like get a real cuticle pusher, but I just do it this way. This method works for me and it causes me to be able to do my nails really quick if I'm trying to be on the go. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. And also, you want to make sure that while you're doing this, you're really using low RPMs because you do not want to burn your nail plate. So I'm going in on a really low speed, like 10 RPMs. Now I'm going in with the nail primer, and it has the instructions on how you would apply it or how long you leave it to dry, or whatever the case may be. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to all of my nails. And what I noticed with this one, I feel like the primer is pretty good. It didn't have like a bad smell or anything like that, so I wasn't mad at it or nothing. So this is where I was debating, should I use the tip extend gel or the tip solid extend gel? And for me, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just use this one because I just like this type of method. So the first thing that I do is apply like a thin layer to my natural nail bed, and then I go in and apply it to the bottom of the nail tip. And also, you guys, I didn't have to shape these nail tips to my cuticle, which I also like because I've had other companies where I had to shape it to my liking. This one I didn't have to shape. I just realized that. So that's pretty much, as for sizing of the nails, I'm going to give that a 8.5 out of 10 because that's really good. So I just go and apply a thin layer, you guys, and then do the same thing, apply it to the cuticle area of the nail tip, and then when I put it onto the nail, I put it on at an angle. And these are the extra small tips, so you just have to keep a steady hand with it. These are the extra short. I go in at an angle, press down, and you can see that product moving down on the nail. And then that's pretty much it. So I did that with all of the nails, you guys, and then we're gonna move on to some of the fun parts. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to go in with the Plant Extract Builder Nail Gel, and this is going to be so that I can apply some strength to the nail and a little bit of like some thickness to the nail because I don't want my nails to be super duper flat. I want them to kind of give acrylic in a way. So I apply, a good amount of the builder gel here, and as you guys can see, I'm just like swiping it down. It doesn't look like a thick layer, but to me it is, and I really like this because it self levels. Like when you see me dragging it, do you notice how the gel bounces back onto the nail? It's not drooping over, so it self levels really really well. You don't have to do too much on it. If you want a thicker nail, you can apply more. I'm just swiping down because I don't want it to be super thick. I just want it to be good enough so that my nails can be protected. And then you also have to remember that I'm going to be applying top coat as well. So I don't want them to be super duper chunky. I still want it to give like, a natural, nice look. But you can see like the builder gel is self-balancing. So I didn't use like their nail lamp. Y'all, I went in with my normal lamp because I don't got time to be sitting there doing one by one. So after everything has cured, I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and a wipe, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it. It does include it in the kit, but I just decided to use what I had opened already. So you just want to go ahead and just swipe that. When you touch on it, it's going to show you if it's cured or not. The sticky and tacky layer is going to be removed, and then you can move on to doing your top coat. All right, you guys. So, depending on the type of method that you use, you may or may not have to drill your cuticle area. Me doing my cuticle area is a must for me, being that I did the extend gel and then I also did the builder gel. It kind of floods your cuticle, so you want to make sure you go in and just clean that off. So, this is just a fine bit. I'm not going to go all over the nail, I'm just cleaning the cuticle because, like I said, it's self leveled really good with the builder gel. So I'm just getting any excess off of my cuticle because I don't want it to look flooded. I want it to look nice and professional. Now, this is optional. If you're kind of afraid to go around your cuticle area, you can do it with this hand file if you like. But I just go around my cuticles with the E file and then I use this hand file to just shape the nail up to what I want it to be. I want it like a rounded square because obviously the tips are not tapered. So I'm not gonna force a tapered square, which I prefer, but I like the rounded. It was cute. It's okay. I'm not really mad at it. So I'm just going in, you guys, and just removing that line of demarcation, like when you get it off of the nail tip hold, whatever it's called. So I'm just getting that drilled off or whatever. I'm just stuttering today, y'all. I need to calm down, girl. Is it the coffee? Oh my God. So yeah. So I'm just going in, shaping my nails to my liking, looking at it, making sure that all of them look cohesive. And y'all, this was so simple to do. It took me about, like, honestly speaking, probably 20 minutes, and it's because I added bling. If I was just doing this alone, this would have been like an easy 10-minute set. Like, you will be in and out the door, and this will last you, like, period. So I'm going in with some nail bling because y'all know if it ain't no bling in there or something, it ain't me. So I'm going in with like this yellow type of vibe, yellow and the violet crystals because I just, I'm feeling it for the summer. So I'm going in and just getting some of these little yellow flowers, anything that looks kind of iridescent to match the nail charms that I chose. So I basically went with this little yellow right here because I think that's super cute and I haven't used it yet. And then I saw a butterfly somewhere and I decided to pick that one up. And then we're gonna go ahead and just bling out a couple of nails because if it ain't bling, it's not giving. Like I need it, even if it's short, like I need it to give fabulous. Like, girl, bling just looks like money to me, y'all. This is my personal opinion. But anyway, I'm going in with the Betty Cora nail glue. And I love this one, y'all. It's from Betty Cora. I'm gonna like try to link it down below. They sent this to me and I use it over the Macart. I still love Macart, but this one, y'all, the gel is thicker. It's not as watery. So you have like more time. Your charms aren't gonna slip and slide as quickly as they do with other gel products. I'm gonna just put it like that. Now I'm going in with these yellow Swarovskis, y'all. They are so cute, and I rarely use them, so I feel like this was the perfect time. And I'm just gonna go ahead and randomly put them in different places so that I can fill the nail up with my other nail crystals with these. And these are like violet colored. They're not AB. You guys are gonna see the difference. They have like this blue undertone to them, which I think is really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just speed this up maybe for you guys. I don't know if you guys want to follow along, but I'm just placing them randomly. You just want to kind of fit it in like a puzzle. You want to use different sizes. Around the corners, I use really small sizes, and then towards the middle, I use bigger sizes just so that I could build the nail up. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'll be back when I'm doing something else, you guys. Okay, so I zoomed in a bit for y'all so that you guys can kind of see what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just placing them, moving it around to my liking, fitting the little nail crystals to my liking. So bigger towards the ends and then smaller when I'm getting to like little small cracks and crevices. And then around my cuticle, I try to do smaller charms. Sorry, smaller crystals just so that it can fit and it doesn't look weird because you don't want a bunch of big crystals all over your nails. Like it doesn't look right. You want to kind of make it look cohesive, uniform, move it around to your liking so that you can fill in any gaps with the smaller ones. And you want to move your nail around so you can look at it to see what area looks like it's missing something, what area needs like a little bit of, TLC. And then when you finally get to the end, you see that period. So now I'm gonna go in with the Tip Top gel, you guys. And y'all, I also did a flower on my other nail because I just was like, I feel like the bling wasn't enough, but I did that like a couple of days after when I stared at my nails more. So when I show you guys the final results, you guys will see it. So now I'm just going in with the tip top coat, you guys, and I'm just applying a good enough layer on there. Um, you can go thin with it if you don't want it to chip or whatever. So I'm just kind of making sure I swipe. You don't want to float it on. You just want to use swiping methods so that you can get any excess off, because the thinner it is, the better it'll be for you. I just don't know how to apply things thinly, so I just go in with a nice little glob and then I'm just swiping, 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 and that's getting back on the brush, so you don't have to worry about it. I just want to make sure that my nails are fully covered and coated and everything, because I do not want chipping or any problems. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know why I keep saying that today, you guys. Forgive me. Alrighty, you guys. So now we're done with the top coat. I'm just going in and just shaping the edge of the nails. After I apply top coat or polish or anything, I always go to the edges and just crisping it back up because I need it to look really crisp and nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some cuticle oils because I got some granny hands, so I gotta make it look, youthful and keep my hands moisturized. But this is the final look, you guys. It came out so pretty. Like, I love, love, love these. This is me at the gym, girl, period. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.